Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a product spotlight looking at the world of Cella. Well, the year is 1899, the place is Milan, Italy, and the company is Cella, and it's getting its start at kind of the end of the Victorian era, the beginning of a new century. The 20th century is at the doorstep here. And Cella, was enjoying the boom of Milan. Milan was becoming this place of commerce, of travel, of destination, place to go. Barbershops were popping up everywhere. High society was at its, towards its peak here. And Cella really made a name as a high quality soap to be found at a barbershop. So definitely has its origin in the industry and the actual, shops where people were getting shaved every day. They're probably being used with straight razors. Straight razors weren't really out yet. And they're getting their start. Their big claim to fame is the way they make their soap, and it's a very controlled process. They mention many times on their website that it uses a steam boiler and really high quality fats and lyes, and they end up with a product that's supposed to be extra pure, and it's still in the packaging today if you look. Extra, extra purissima. It's Italian for extra, extra pure. And that's their big thing. Even the soap makers in the process, test it for its alkalinity, and it has to, be a certain pH level. They say that the formula hasn't changed in over 100 years. It's still made the exact same way, which, knowing the Italians, I wouldn't be surprised. If you know anything about Italy or the Italian culture, they are certainly very much into their history, their pedigree. So that doesn't surprise me. But we've been stocking Cella for many, many years, and happy to have different formats, tins and tubes. They have two different main lines. They have the original line in the red packaging, and to me, it has more of a sweet aroma to it. I actually just got done using it for a different video, and I did feel that there was almost a sense of menthol. I was looking at the ingredient list, and I didn't see menthol listed, but it could be, here we go, panthenol. So it has panthenol. Okay, so maybe that's kind of close to menthol. Not too cooling, but it was just the right amount. It was nice. I like stuff like that. Parasso has that too with the eucalyptus and menthol. I'm a fan. But it provided a good shape. I was really kind of commenting during that video that the lather didn't make this really thick, dense lather that I'm used to that kind of like stands off my face like a good ½ inch. It was more of a really thick cream. And very slick. It was good. I liked it. I really enjoyed the splash. I can still smell it on my skin. It's been probably 20 minutes since we finished up the shave, and I really did like that. It finished off great. But they also have another line that came out a few years back. It's in the turquoise packaging, and it is more of their aloe vera line and olive oil. And so that kind of shows out, and it really, calls out this extra, extra bio-organic. So it's really going after, especially in Europe, knowing Europe the way it is, it's going after, high quality organic ingredients, and also that it's good for the environment, it's probably also awesome for your skin. I mean, olive oil and aloe vera sound like fantastic things. Its little description on the side here says that it's formulated with selected top quality organic oil and organic aloe vera prepared in the traditional way in a steam boiler to produce a soft, creamy, consistent foam that helps the razor glide easily over the skin and protects the skin from irritation and tiny cuts, leaving it soft and moisturized for an extra, extra shave. So I haven't used this. This was actually the first time I used Cella in the red packaging, the original. I'll have to bring back Cella again and use the green because that does excite me. I've always been a fan of anything for sensitive skin or extra moisturizing. As you probably have heard me say, my skin is the reason we're in this business, the reason I'm talking to you and you're watching this channel is because I had lots of trouble shaving, and I still have to be really careful with what I put on my face and use. I get very easily irritated, and I'm happy to say this is a great product and feels very soft, very supple. I like it. I almost forgot! This guy! It is an old man literally in his pajamas showing you that grooming and shaving is a private ritual, well, usually done at home, right? But his name is Mr. Feliz. And if you know Spanish or Italian, which they're both romantic languages, very close, Feliz, felicity, happy. Mr. Happy. He has been on the packaging literally since the turn of the century. He's still there showing you how happy he is to be shaving with Cella. So that's Cella. If you're looking for a classic Italian line, you know, that has all the different accoutrements of splashes and travel tubes and soaps and creams, take a look at Cella. It's an Italian classic. If you want to feel like you're going back in time to Milan, Italy, 1899, that's Cella. And that's all I got today. If you've used Cella, if you like it, tell me below in the comments, what's your favorite scent? Do you like the red, the turquoise, you know, the original, the kind of sweet almond kind of smell versus the aloe vera? Which one do you like? And what are some other Italian classics that I need to check out here on set? That's all I got today. We'll see you next time, guys, at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.